and today I will unbox my 10th birthday
Do you
gift.
know what's in there?
No.
किसने दिया है गिफ्ट?
Shafkat Chachun sang.
So guess what you have in this?
I don't know.
Just a wild guess.
It would be toys.
Toys. Which toys?
I don't know.
Another guess. What do you want?
I want a camera.
You want a camera?
Yes.
So do you think a camera is this big?
No.
तो क्या है इसके अंदर?
A doll house.
डॉल हाउस है? कौन बोला आपको?
कोई नहीं.
तो फिर guess कर रही है? अच्छा. So let's check it out.
Okay.
Open it then. Are you excited?
Yes. Oh, camera.
Is it? Which camera? Jaldi, jaldi. Oh, oh.
Lipstick.
Wow. Lipstick.
Lip gloss.
Lip gloss. Okay.
What
What is this?
is an
Fragrance. It's a perfume.
perfume. Photos.
Ah. Show me the box. Bring it close. उल्टा सीधा बताओ. Okay, it's a Fuji film gift box. Very nice. Are you excited to open it now?
Yes.
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 Okay. Okay. Show me one by one. What do you have?
First. Wait.
क्या है इसमें?
इसमें.
ओह ये तो कैमरा का कवर है.
This is
कैमरा कवर.
camera cover.
Next is this is what?
This is pictures frame.
Ah, frame. Very nice.
Camera.
Oh, nice color. You like the color?
Yes.
जल्दी. ओहो क्या है ये? Okay, it's a string.
Cell. Hey.
Wow, it's so beautiful. अभी क्या करेगी इसका?
Photo.
किसका फोटो लेगी?
सबका.
सबका किसका?
सबका.
सबका लेगी. अच्छा, what else you have in there? What is this?
Stickers.
Okay. Nice, nice. And क्या है ये? और एक Fuji film का. This is a.
Instax mini 10 sheets. Instax film.
वो भी है ना? उसमें उधर. तो अभी कितने हो गए? 20 हो गए तेरे? 10 इसमें है, 10 इधर है. और ये क्या है?
कुछ नहीं.
खाली है. ओके.
हाय.
ये भी खाली है.
हाँ.
अच्छा. It's just for packaging, I think.
खाली.
सही सही.
है?
तो उसका ये है ना कैमरा का.